Jose, Aldo. Conor, McGregor. The most highly anticipated featherweight fight of all time.
Conor looks extremely loose. And Aldo looks like he is feeling the pressure of this moment.
Green trunks for the South Path. The notorious Conor McGregor. Black trunks for the champion, Jose Aldo, Jr.
Conor relaxed and smiling. Slipped him.
Conor McGregor is the new UFC featherweight champion of the world.
Oh, unbelievable. Oh my god, unbelievable. The first punch he threw slipped him.
Wow.
We're gonna have to see that again. Did he throw a punch before that, or was that the first punch he threw? I think he went to throw a left and missed before that. So it might be the third punch he threw, legitimately one punch, KO. Let's see it again. Boom. This is straight left and Aldo connected with a left right afterwards, and he connected. As he was getting knocked out, look at that. Boom. And then hammer fist. Out cold. And that's it.